Good day everyone. This is our review session of our topic. Part 1, Summary Key Terms. Domain is the set of all inputs or first elements. Range, it is the set of all outputs or second elements actually used. A function is always a relation. A one-to-one correspondence is always an example of a relation. The graph of horizontal line is always a function. A one-to-many correspondence is never an example of a function. A relation is sometimes a function. Domain is the set of all first coordinates, the x values, in relation. Range, it is also the set of all second coordinates, or the y values, in a relation. Function, it is a set of ordered pairs in which every input has exactly one output. Now, this is our part 2, identifying the following conditions, a function or not a function. Okay, now let's start with set of ordered pairs. With letter A, ordered pairs, we are going to answer this activity, a function or not. Okay, number 1, ordered pairs. 3, negative 2, negative 1, 2, 3, negative 3, 4, 2, 1, 5. Okay, as we can see, meron ba tayo nakitang pag-uulit ng absisa? Okay, check natin kung meron. Okay, tama. Merong naulit na first element or abscissa which is positive 3. Okay, kung magkaganon, may naulit, ibig sabihin ang sagot natin sa number 1 ay not function. Okay, next, given number 2, 5, 5, 0, 6, 2, 4, 4, negative 3, 1, 3. Meron bang naulit sa ating first element? 5, 0, 2, 4, 1. Wala. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot sa number 2 ay function. Next, given number 3, 1, 4, negative 3, 1, negative 4, 1, 6, 3, 5, 2. Meron bang naulit sa ating first element? 1, negative 3, negative 4, 6, 5. Walang naulit. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot sa number 3 ay function. Next, number 4, negative 2, 3. 2, negative 2, negative 1, 6, 7, 5, 2, negative 4. Okay, ano ba yung naulit? Okay, tama. May naulit na positive 2. Okay, merong naulit na absisa. So, meaning, ang sagot sa number 4 ay not function. Okay, next. How about given number 5? 8, 4, negative 3, 1, negative 3, 6. Ayan, may naulit na agad na absisa which is negative 3. Okay, dahil may naulit, automatic ang number 5 ay not function. Next, let's proceed to letter B, mapping and correspondence. Function or not. Okay, sa first picture natin, ito yung ating input at kita natin yung ating output. Okay, mapping. Okay, sa mapping natin, kita natin yung picture. Ang sagot sa first set, ito yon, ito ang ating first set. Ano kayang sagot dito? Okay, yung 2 ay naka-arrow sa 20, naka-arrow din sa 40. So meaning, ito ay one to many. Tandaan, ang correspondence na one to many ay not function. Okay, this is an example of relation. Therefore, this is not function. Kasi siya ay one to many. Next, second set, ito yung ating input and output. Okay, as we can see, ang correspondence ng ating mapping ay many to one. Okay. Kapag nangyari yon, many to one, ano mangyayari sa many to one? Ayun, that is totally function. Okay, ang correspondence nito ay many to one, pero ang sagot sa kanya ay function. Next, letter C by graph illustration. We're going to identify which of the following graphs represent functions through the vertical line test. Okay? Tingnan natin ang vertical line test. Letter A. Ito yung point natin sa ating first graph. Ito din yung point. Kapag nagkaroon tayo ng vertical line test, ayun, matatouch niya yung dalawang points. Tandaan na kapag ang points ay dalawa o higit pa, natatamaan ng ating vertical line test, siya ay tinatawag nating not function. Okay, next, letter B. Ang letter B naman natin ay, ayan, wala siyang tinamaang 2 points and above para sa ating vertical line test. Kaya siya ay function. Letter C, correct, wala ding tinamaan. Okay, kaya siya ay function. Letter D, ayan, meron tayong tinamaan uli na 2 points uli, ayun, kapag tayo nag-vertical line test. So meaning, kapag merong tinamaan na 2 or more points, siya ay not function. Sa letter E naman, yan, as we can see ang ating graph, merong arrowhead going to right, merong arrowhead going to left. Okay, hindi sila nagpanagpo, walang points o 2 points o higit pa na kapag nagkaroon tayo ng vertical line test ay magsasama sila, magkakaroon ng collinear, wala naman. Okay, kaya ang sagot sa letter E ay function. Next, let's move to our part 3 for our review session, finding the domain and range value of the following condition. Meron tayong following condition. Letter A. Again, our target here is to find and determine the value of domain and range. Letter A, find the domain and range value from the given ordered pairs. Write it in set builder notation form. Number 1, negative. Number 1, 3, negative 2, negative 1, 2, 8, negative 3, 4, 0, 1, 5. As we can see sa ating number 1, ano ba ang domain natin dito? Pag sinabing domain, ang domain ay yung nasa first element. Kung ano yung mga nasa unahan. Okay? 3, negative 1, positive 8, 4, and 1. Therefore, the domain value is, sa ating set builder notation form, is an element of x such that x equals 3, negative 1, 8, 4, 1. Next, how about the value of range? Okay, the variable that we are going to use is y. Element of y such that y equals negative 2. Okay, ito namang negative 2. Yun naman yung second element. Negative 2, positive 2, negative 3, 0, and 5. Kaya ang ating range value ay is an element of y such that y equals negative 2, 2, negative 3, 0, 5. Sa ating number 2 naman, ano yung ating domain? Ang domain natin sa number 2 ay yung nasa unahan. 1, 0, 2, 4, 6. Kaya ang value ng ating domain ay is an element of x such that x equals 1, 0, 2, 4, 6. And the range value is an element of y such that y equals, ito naman yung ating range. 5, 6, 4, negative 3, and positive 3. Therefore, the range value is y, or is an element of y, such that y equals 5, 6, 4, negative 3, 3. How letter B? Again, our target here is to determine the value of the domain and range. Letter B, find the domain and range value from the given mapping. Write it in set builder notation form. Okay? Ayan, meron na agad tayong sagot. Ito yung ating mapping. Ang ating domain, kung ano yung value, yung first element na nasa left sa ating inputs. Okay, ang nakita nating value ay, yung nasa left ay negative 1, 1, 2, and 3. Kaya naman, ang ating value ng domain ay is an element of x such that x equals negative 1, 1, 2, 3. How about range? Ang range naman natin ay is an element of y such that y equals, ito naman ang value natin, negative 2, 2, 4. Therefore, the range value is an element of y such that y equals negative 2, 2, 4. And how about letter C? Find the domain and range value from the given equation. Write it in set builder notation form. As we can see, our given here, we have linear equation y equals x plus 3. Okay, we're going to provide first the table of values, x and y. The values of x, the x values are -4, -3, -2, 0, 1, 2. As we can see, we have 0, we have positive values, and we have negative values. For y values, -1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. We have 0 value, we have also positive values, and of course, we have negative values. Kapag nangyari yon, ang ating value ng domain I is an element of x such that x is an element of real numbers, or is a set of all real numbers. And our range is an element of y such that y a set of all real numbers, or the range value is y such that y an element of all real numbers. Okay, that's all for today. I hope all of you will pass for this quiz. Do not forget for these taglines, for the terms RMA, review math always.